All right, so last example here, we're going to convert this to vertex form. First thing we want to do is the negative b over 2a. So negative b is going to be negative 6 over 2 times a, which is 2 times 3. So that would be 6, which is going to give us negative 1. Now that is the x-coordinate of our vertex. We're going to take that negative 1 and plug it back in, and that's going to give us our y value. So 3 times negative 1 squared plus 6 times negative 1 minus 1. Negative 1 squared is 1. 1 times 3 is just 3. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6 minus 1. 3 minus negative 6 is negative 3. Negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. So that is our y coordinate. All right, this one is opening up, and it has a minimum of negative 4. So the range is going to be negative 4 onto infinity, or all the y values greater than or equal to negative 4. Okay, now what we're here for. All right, so this is our vertex, and we want to write it in vertex form, x minus h squared plus k. All right, so our vertex form is going to be the a, which in this case was 3, and then it's going to be an x minus h, or the opposite of whatever the x-coordinate is, so x plus 1, and then for the k, it'll be a minus 4. All right. Converted it. And if you wanted to check your answer, or if you just completely do not know how to work these whenever you go to do a quiz or a test, if it's asking you to convert this to vertex form, you can just take all of these answer options, A, B, C, and D, and multiply them out and see which one gets you back to this. That's one way you could do it. Well, actually, an easier way to do it, I guess this would be probably too easy. Let's, plug in 2 for x, right? Let's plug in 2 for x up here. You could plug in 2 for x, be 3, 2 for x, plus 6 times 2, minus 1. That gives us 23. And then you could plug in 2 for x on the answer options and see if you get 23 again. 3, 2 plus 1 squared minus 4, 23. Now there's a chance that one of the other ones will give you 23 as well. So you might try it again, but plug in a different number. But it's a pretty slim chance.